Welcome to the fascinating life of rural communities. Today, we'll witness their captivating journey into the forest to begin a new life in a new longhouse. On this bright morning, the community prepares eagerly. They bring essential equipment and supplies for this demanding journey. With only basic supplies, they embark on the journey into the forest. Every step they take is filled with determination and resilience to reach their destination.
Iklan Toyota ada bang.
After arriving at the new location, they wait for everyone to gather before venturing into the forest to assess the area for their future longhouse site.
Tengah budai habis jai baik kemarin tamai.
With everyone assembled, they enter the forest, eager to survey the land and choose the ideal spot for their new home. Guided by a local expert, the community enters the dense forest. They walk carefully, avoiding obstacles and adapting to the changing environment. As they traverse the dense foliage, they carefully evaluate various factors such as accessibility, natural resources, and environmental considerations. Their collective knowledge and experience guide them as they assess each area, weighing the pros and cons of different sites. After thorough exploration, they finally settle on a spot that meets all their criteria, a place they can envision as the site of their future longhouse. In the forest, every step poses a new challenge. This community is adept at navigating the wilderness, drawing on the ancestral knowledge passed down to them to navigate through dense and hazardous terrain. They traverse the forest through various conditions. Despite growing fatigue, the spirit of reaching their goal remains strong within each member of the community. They work together as a team to overcome challenges and face whatever comes their way.
Pandamain goyang deh goyang.
And with that, this remarkable journey comes to an end. This community has demonstrated their resilience and spirit of unity in facing the challenges of nature. We wish them success in building a new life in the place they now call home. Thank you for joining us on this journey today. Let's continue to marvel at the wonders of nature and the resilience of humanity in rural areas.